My business is Forensic Resources Limited, and my big idea was to set up a forensic science consultancy firm. Top tip for young entrepreneurs would be to have self-confidence and to take whatever your gut tells you as a very, very good warning sign, be it good or bad.
Our big idea was to be the best in web design at the very early days. Top tip for entrepreneurs, mine would be passionate about what you do.
My big idea was to set up an all-female building company called Female Building and Interiors. My top tip for young entrepreneurs would be get a job. No matter what the job is, even if it's a paper round, go out and get some work experience. Find out what it's like to be in the real world.
Y syniad mawr i oedd ac y parhau I fod ydy trio datblygu busnes bwyd yn Fardal. Y top tip ar gyfer bobl ifanc, wel, byddwn ni'n deud ceisiwch os fedrwch chi trialu'r syniad ar raddfa fach I ddechrau. Jyst I rwy'ch fwy cael dysgu, achos mae yna wastad rhywbeth annisgwyl yn codi.
My big idea was bringing together passionate, committed entrepreneurs. My top tip for young entrepreneurs is don't ask for permission, get on with it. It's a lot easier to ask for forgiveness than it is to ask for permission in the first place.
Syniad mawr fi oedd I sefydlu cwmni cynhyrchu fideo. Fy top tips I entrepreneuriaid ifanc yn Cymru, wneud eich gwaith cartre chi, ymchwilio'r ardal, a'r busnesau sydd yn gallu cystadlu gyda chi, a wneud yn siŵr bod rhywbeth yn unigryw gyda'ch syniad.
My big idea was to work in a business where I could run a team, because for me that's where the fun is in running a business, is seeing a team come together with all their different skills and ideas and to bring that together in a way that creates something interesting. Ooh, can I call a friend? Dad, what's the top tip for young entrepreneurs?
It's doing something a different way and doing something different a different way.
There you go.
My top tip is just do it. There's never a perfect time to start a business. There is only the present.
My big idea was to become an artist. Top tip, go for it.
My business idea was to turn my hobby into a viable business and involve the community. Top tip. Oh, right, okay. Well, the first one is don't give up. I think the second and the third would be don't give up. The fourth is trust yourself. Fifth would be listen to your own advice. Don't let other people tell you what to do. Six would be get out there, find your market. 7, don't give up. 8, don't give up. 9, it's going to be really hard sometimes, but still don't give up. And 10 is reach for the stars, because you'll get halfway there.